Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to turn on smart roundups on Bright Money. If you don't have a Bright Money account, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see a profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the profile icon. Under Settings, you will see an option for your stash. Tap on your stash. Next, you will see a section for Smart Roundups. Under it is a button that says Turn On. Tap on Turn On. Now you will see that the Smart Roundups has been turned on. That's how you turn on Smart Roundups on Bright Money. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.